In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a bid on Stockx. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and a few tips to make sure your bid is removed safely and correctly. Start by opening your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Stockx and look for the official website. You want to go to the genuine Stockx homepage, so keep an eye out for the correct domain and the secure lock icon in the address bar. This helps ensure you're on the real site before you sign in. Once you see the official result, click the correct link to open Stockx. You might notice ads or similar-looking pages in the search results, so take a second to confirm you're on the right one. It's a small step that prevents headaches later. When the homepage loads, click Sign Up or Log In. If you already have an account, go ahead and log in with your usual credentials. If you're new, create an account so you can access and manage your bids. You may be prompted to verify your identity or complete a quick security check. That's normal and helps protect your account. After you're signed in, look to the top right corner of the screen and click My Account. Depending on your device, this might appear as your profile photo or a simple profile icon. Clicking it will open your account dashboard, which is where you'll find all your buying and selling activity. Inside your account, select the Buying tab. Then click on the section labeled Current. Current is where Stockx lists your active, unmatched bids, the ones that are still live on the marketplace. This view makes it easier to focus only on the bids you can still change or remove. Find the specific item you want to cancel. When you locate it, look for a small trash can icon or a button that says Delete Bid. Click that option. In most cases, Stockx will ask you to confirm that you want to delete the bid. Go ahead and confirm. Once you do, the bid is removed and will no longer be active on the marketplace. If you don't see the delete option, it likely means the bid already matched with a seller, and at that point, it can't be canceled. Acting quickly is key because bids can be accepted at any time if a seller meets your price. That's it. You've successfully canceled your bid. If you change your mind later, you can always return to the product and place a new bid at a price that works better for you. Thanks for watching, and I hope this walkthrough made the process clear and stress-free.